Okay, I gotta replace these 6x9s. This Hyundai. Shorty, pull the truck on real quick. Yeah. Let's see. So anyways, we bought these, man. I bought these. What am I saying? I don't know. I bought these for the car real quick, you know, slight upgrade. The ones that were in there are broken, so this is definitely gonna be better than the ones that's there. And Autozone, man, it was only what was it? Oh, I was looking for that the whole time. Look at that shit, it's crazy. So Autozone had it for $16 each. I tried to buy 2 on OfferUp from some guy that lives in the neighborhood. And he tried to get me for $60, something like that. So I was like, nah, I can't do it. I help these guys out. You're real good on this side. You got all this space. Oh yeah, you're good, real good. Yo, you got so much space on this side. You got so much space. He don't know what he's doing. He can't drive. Just go to the right. Just go to the right. This guy can't drive. He can't drive. What's wrong? There's nothing wrong with that. Wow, he made it so complicated. But anyways, we changing these 6x9s, man. Let's see how they look, and how easy it is to install. Real quick.
Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
There's a difference now. These ugly suckers, they have nothing left, you know what I mean? As opposed to these here from, what's that, Metro speakers. So they come with screws and doubt we need any of these things. The only difference is the plug right here. So what I'm gonna do is disconnect it and then just put them in individually, side by side. And it's gonna look real dope. I'll put them in here. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna sound good. Not amazing, but good. So that's the project. Quick, man, before I get demonetized for this, man, but to see they working, I'm gonna tell you how you sound in a second. I'll give you my opinion, but quick, pretty easy, I ain't gonna lie. So if you just want to replace them just because they broken, then for sure.
Circle, have mercy on many men, many men. Wish that for me, yeah, I don't cry no more. I don't look to the sky no more, cause I got it on me.